What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your sidebar on Slack. So to do that, you want to click your profile on the lower left hand side and then click in preferences. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on navigation. Here you have a few options that you can enable and disable. So for example, if you want to remove files, you can do it. And as you can see right here, it's removing these icons and you can choose what to add there. As you can see, add, remove, and so forth, right? So you can go ahead and add these and remove them, right? For example, home, you're not able to remove the home and the activities. These are fields that are mandatory and they're non-changeable within Slack. Right now, the next section you can add is these options right here, which is under the home. So you can click on home, and on the sidebar, you have like unread, huddles, you have threads, draft and send, and so forth. So, for example, I don't want huddles to show. As you can look behind this white window here, if you look right here, you can see huddles. If I click that, it's going to be removed. As you can see, it's gone. Same gone goes for threads. I can remove it, send in drafts, and so forth. You can remove basically all of these, right? And so you can see it's pretty clean now, and you can add what you want. So I recommend that you go ahead and use these different two options, your navigation and home, to basically go through and kind of customize the way how your Slack sidebar looks. So that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. If you'd like to learn more about how it works, you can always go ahead and click on learn more. It's going to open up a new window, give you more information about how you can customize your sidebar within Slack. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you find it useful, give this video a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.